My fans. You can see we are in the meal. This man on 91 person. Clean. Stop playing. You see? Stop playing. This one now is our own. Let's go and see it. See? There is fire under there. You see? See? Fire is burning. See this one? The number one. So we are walking. Today work is ongoing, guys. So I told us I was gonna take us to be showing us all the processes, all the procedures needed to see that this work is done. So today like this, we are in the middle of the road. This one is my own. It's even plenty. See? Stop playing. So guys, we are walking. Let me be fanning. Let you be seeing. Not the fan fire out. Not the sea. Yeah, now. Let's go and check. Fire is coming. Did they play the show? Oh yeah. You see? Fire is coming, guys. So if you have watched this video to this point, that simply means you are liking my videos, find my videos informative, educating, and above forward engaging. What you need to do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one you're seeing right now. You can see we're in the new people, everybody there for people living. Yeah. You don't understand. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.